We stayed at the best Airbnb in Aruba. I'm going to take you guys on a tour because honestly, this place was awesome and it was the most well stocked Airbnb I've ever stayed at in my entire life. Let's get into it. It's a 5 bed, 2 bath with a private pool, huge living area with a flat screen TV that leads into a game room that has like arcade games like Pac Man and Battle Galactica and all these different things. We had so much fun playing it. An 86-inch flat screen to watch movies or hang out, a pool table, a ping pong table. They also had a ton of board games and Uno and like super fun stuff like that. Here is the first of the 2 bathrooms. Super, super nice. Great water pressure, nice hot water, and you have 3 different shower attachments to choose from. First bedroom, it has a queen size bed plus a desk. So if you're working from here like we kind of were, this was awesome. Second bedroom, the blue bedroom, has 2 queen beds. This bedroom is perfect for kids. It was so nice and cozy with 2 single beds. And then you move right down the hallway and around the corner to your left here. Look at that hallway too. The lights, everything stunning. Then you have, like I call it, kind of the pink bedroom with another queen size bed and then your second bathroom right here, just like the first. Super, super nice. You also have in-unit washer dryer so you can pack less, which I always love. I'm slightly obsessed with all of the windows and doors in this house. It is absolutely beautiful, you guys. Check out this primary. Absolutely huge. And you guys, the pillows, the bed, the comforter, the sheets, everything was perfection. It was so comfortable, really nice high-end stuff, perfect pillows. Like there's nothing worse than a bad pillow on vacation when you're trying to sleep, and these were awesome. So one of the owners is actually a chef, and oh my gosh, you guys, this kitchen has anything and everything you could possibly want, think of, and ask for, and then it has more. Like there's even a KitchenAid mixer here. I'm gonna do a whole separate video on how well pointed and like stacked this kitchen is. It was awesome to cook in, so much fun. Check out this dining room with a hand painted mural by somebody from Aruba, and that chandelier, so pretty. Tons of dishes, you guys, for indoor and plastic for outdoor, which is awesome. The outdoor space is everything you would want and more. It is quiet, it is peaceful, it is serene. There is an awesome breeze. Lots of shaded seating as well. There's also a 4-burner Weber grill to use, an outdoor shower. They have beach chairs and towels to take to the beach. They have tons and tons of kids stuff, floats, pack and plays, you name it. This Airbnb definitely has it. They've literally thought of everything. They've even started growing their own herb garden, so you have like fresh mint and different things to cook and make drinks with. Plus they even have some fruit trees on the property that are starting to grow. You guys, this place is absolutely phenomenal. You can go ahead and book directly through my website, arubavacationtips.org. Like and follow for more.